Hello, artist Stephen Graham here. Today we're looking at another one of my sketchbooks. This one is Science and Mechanics, Complete Handyman Encyclopedia, Do-It-Yourself. This was a used book that I purchased for just a few cents. Something discarded, nobody wanted, so I decided to modify it and turn it into a sketchbook. So I began by gluing pages together. You can see this one was done back in 2023. Blue Moon. First page is Blue Moon. Sometimes I like to pick random words. Sometimes I'll use random word generators. Magnitude, avant-garde. And look at the dog. Little pink poodle, ceramic pink poodle that I have that I drew. Oh, here we get David Bowie and Frank Zappa. There is Consumer. A lot of these I think of as like a one-word poem. Sometimes I try to get the pages to go together in a theme of some kind. So here we have two aliens, Marvin the Martian. There is a Coerce and a Simpsons character. Is it Kodos or Kang? Anyway, number 17 is reserved here from the book. So sometimes the words are in the book and I do a little blackout poetry. I'm not sure if this book has as much blackout poetry, but here I'm using Posca markers. I'm drawing first in pencil, just copying something and drawing it in pencil. It's good practice, it's fun. Drawing characters I'm interested in. These are Adventure Time characters here. So drawing it first in pencil, then inking it with Sharpie usually, then Posca markers, and then the backgrounds are done in other kinds of markers, alcohol-based markers. Sometimes I will come into it with colored pencil too and add some additional shading and things on top of the Posca. Grimace and a very creepy Ronald McDonald there. He's kind of funny. He is funny the way he's drawn. Fresh. He's fresh. Scooby Doo. Let's look at that. You can see the Posca marker with some colored pencil over it here. It's pretty opaque, so you can't read a lot of the words through, although sometimes if you look very closely you can still see some of the words through. I like that kind of idea of layers of things that build up over time and recycling. Sabrina the Teenage Witch and Jughead. We must have been watching Riverdale. There's a Batman drawn in kind of my quick drawing style, my kind of silly, goofy style that I draw in sometimes, in a Catwoman with a jewel. Oh, there she is. And this page, you might notice, is upside down in the book. This is a page that fell out, and I put it back in upside down. Have a little fun. This is an image I copied from somewhere, just for some fun, with some Posca markers and background, full page. Do some full pages every now and then. There's the pirates, the Straw Hat Pirates. Curry, Flush, a Dragon Ball Z. These are fun. Some Halloween, some monsters, Universal monsters that kind of have a old-fashioned look to them. A little bit of mask, Halloween mask look. Vintage Virtue. I loved the old Universal Monster movies. I still do. Watch them again every now and then. Dramatic variation. These are fun. Fun doing these. Alcohol markers in the background. Parking. Plagiarize. Science fiction. Double feature. Oh yeah. Rocky Horror. Ashoka Hope and Represent. Now I believe this probably starts an Inktober, where these words came from Inktober prompts. So here is the kind of black cat design, like the firework design, dream. Here's spiders. And we had path, the path of the Jedi. Dodge. Dodging the enemies, hunting for him, the enemy droids, dodge. Here we get an adventure with map and golden, a little Raiders of the Lost Ark kind of setup here. And this page is Drip and Toad. All hail Hypnotoad. Hypnotoad. And there's the Melting Witch. Bounce Digger. This one has a bit more colored pencil, worked over white. Posca, Bounce, and there's Fortune Zoltar Machine. Fortune. Honey. He's got a honey pot. Fortune. And Tigger, so the honey pot goes with Winnie the Pooh. There is the Wanderer and Spicy. The Wanderer is done like a tarot card. The Fool, there I am, the Fool. And there I am as a spicy jalapeno, a spicy chili pepper, chili head with my boomerangs. Appliance repair. Rise and Castle. There's He-Man. Rise. And there is Castle, Skeletor's Castle, Castle Grayskull. There's Skeletor. Oh yeah, Castle. And here we have Dagger. King Tut's golden dagger. Oh yeah. And some hieroglyphics and the King Tut. The mask. Here's Angel and Demon. I like to draw hot stuff. Hot stuff, and she was in some of those old cartoons as well. And here we have a couple of signs. The Silver Saddle Motel and Plump Diner. And that, I think, is the last page in our do-it-yourself book. Do-it-yourself, people. All right, thank you for joining me in that video.